A Roth IRA is a powerful tool for tax-free retirement growth. Contributing to yours at Schwab is simple, but you need to follow the rules. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, ensure you have a Schwab Roth IRA open. Then, navigate to Transfer and Payments and select Deposit. Choose your Roth IRA as the destination account and your linked bank as the source. Enter the amount, keeping in mind the annual contribution limits, e.g., $7,000 for 2024 if under 50. You can contribute for the prior year until the tax filing deadline. My crucial pro tip? Set up automatic contributions. Don't wait for a lump sum. Set up a monthly transfer from your checking account to your Roth IRA. This dollar cost averages your purchases and ensures you max out your contribution space every year, turning saving into a seamless habit. Build your tax-free future, one automatic deposit at a time. Are you on track to max out your Roth IRA this year? For more retirement planning guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.